Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. On Friday, the EURUSD pair performed a false breakout of the 76 corrective level at 1.1517. and failed to continue the downward movement. Thus, the trend remains bearish, but the bulls have not yet lost all chances of their own trend. If they resume their advance this week, the bullish trend will still have a chance to form. At the moment, the quotes have consolidated above the 1.1517 level, which allows to expect continued growth toward the 61% Fibonacci level at 1.1594. The wave situation on the early chart remains simple and clear. The last completed upward wave did not break the previous peak, while the most recent completed downward wave broke the previous low. Thus, for now, the trend remains bearish. Bullish traders have moved into attack, but their efforts are still insufficient to form a trend. For the bearish trend to be considered complete, the pair must rise above the 1.1656 level or form two consecutive bullish waves. On the 4-hour chart, the pair bounced off the 23% Fibonacci retracement at 1.1649, reversed in favor of the US dollar, and began a new downward movement. Consolidation below 1538 allows us to expect a continued decline toward the 50% Fibonacci level at 1.1448. A consolidation above 1.1538 will favor the area and some growth toward the next resistance level of 1649 and 1680. Two bullish divergences of the CCI technical indicator increase the probability of an upward reversal. Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents. You could plan to buy the pound at around 1.3106, with a target of 1.3149. At 1.3949, plan to exit long positions and open short positions in the opposite direction, expecting a move of 30-35 points from the level. Pound growth today is expected only as a part of further correction. You could also buy the pound if the price tests 1.3087 twice consecutively in a row, while the MACD is in an oversold area. This limits the downward potential and triggers a market reversal upward. Expected growth levels are 1.3106 and 31.49. You could also sell the pound after it reaches 1.3087, which will likely cause a quick decline in the pair. The key target for sellers is 1.3050, where you could plan to exit the short position and immediately buy in the opposite direction, expecting a 20-25 point move. Pressure on the pound is unlikely to return today. Before selling, make sure that the MACD indicator is below the zero mark and is just starting to decline from it. You could also sell the pound if the price tests 1.3106 twice consecutively, while the MACD is in an overbought area. This will limit the upward potential and triggers a market reversal downward. Expected declines are 1.3087 and 3050. That's all for today. See you online soon.